starting a Shopify store from scratch. In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to look at selling using Shopify. So Shopify is a great platform to sell online. You can also sell in person because they have a POS app or POS machine that you can carry with you. It links up to your payment processor and you can take payments wherever you go. So as I've said, you've got a point of sale. There are different sales channels you can use, and within Shopify you can create a buy button which you can then add to any website or blog or anywhere else you have a social media presence. Within Shopify you can obviously create your own store, choose a theme, drag and drop everything to make building your store super simple, and buy a custom domain. It's great for retail outlets because you can use your POS system on the go. You can even use your mobile app to make sales. As long as you have your app with you or your phone with you, you can sell no matter where you go. Obviously Shopify can be found everywhere, or should I say Shopify is online and you can push your products just about anywhere. Shopify stores have a built-in feature where you can push products out to social media and to online marketplaces like eBay, Amazon and Google Shopping. If you want to know more, go into Shopify. They will explain everything to you. There's the point of sale. Let's quickly have a look at some of the other features of the point of sale. As I said, use your POS system and carry it around with you. Obviously it's a machine that you will need to order through Shopify. They will then ship it to you. There is a monthly fee that comes from each transaction. And obviously there is a payment involved with receiving the POS machine. I'm not going to go into too much detail about it. We are going to do a separate video about the POS machine itself. So we're just looking at the general overview of selling online. That's it for this video. See you in the next.